In this video, we will learn finger counting. I will explain why we are learning finger counting. Before starting with the abacus, just like the abacus has one bead at the top and 4 beads at the bottom, a hand has one thumb at the top and 4 fingers at the bottom. By learning finger counting, we will be able to learn the abacus faster and more easily. In finger counting, we can count from 0 to 99. For numbers beyond 99, we use the abacus. We will consider the unit place with the right hand and the tens place with the left hand, because the unit place is on the right side and the tens place is to the left. Let's start with 0. Closing the fist means 0. This is called 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb. We call the thumb 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. With one hand, we can count from 0 to 9. Let's do it again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, we will learn counting using the visualization concept, which is what the abacus is based on. What is visualization? If I ask you to close your eyes and tell me, where are the fridge and TV in your house? And what color they are, you can easily answer. But, if I ask you to add 5, 98, 33, and 45, what is the answer? You may not be able to answer easily. We have been learning numbers since childhood, but they are not stored in our mind. Through visualization, we can store numbers in our brain. Now let's continue. 1. God is 1. 2. We have 2 eyes. 3. 3 is W. 4. Snake bite. 5. All the best. 6. Smile. 7. Big smile. 8. Octopus has 8 legs. 9. Tata, bye bye. Let's do it again. 1. God is 1. 2. 2 eyes. 3. W. 4. Snake bite. 5. All the best. 6. Smile. 7. Big smile. 8. Octopus. 9. Tata, bye bye. We have learned from 0 to 9. Now we will move on to the next part, 10. The unit place is 0 and the tens place is 1. This means we will use the right hand for 0 and the left hand for 1. So, 11 is 1 on the right and 1 on the left. For 12, the unit place is 2, so right hand will show 2 and left hand will show 1. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Similarly, we will continue counting up to 99. I will give you some numbers, and you can try using your fingers to count them. 35, 47, 61, 53, 98, 72, 99. The best exercise for finger counting is to practice repeatedly from 0 to 99 and increase your speed. This concludes the finger counting topic in this video. That's all for now. See you in the next video. If you want to purchase the notes and the course completion certificate, check the description.